Bitcoin makes money digital, but Ethereum wants to change everything. But what is it really? Ethereum was launched in 2015. The idea came from a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin. He wanted to go beyond Bitcoin. Bitcoin can only send and store money. Ethereum was designed as a whole platform. Think of it as a global computer. Anyone can use it to run digital programs. Ethereum is based on a blockchain. A blockchain is like a giant notebook that is copied on thousands of computers. Every transaction is written down. Nobody can cheat or erase it. The currency of Ethereum is called Ether, or ETH. You need ETH to use the system. ETH is the fuel that makes Ethereum run. But Ethereum is not only for payments. It can also run something called smart contracts. A smart contract is like a digital vending machine. If you put in the right input, the output happens automatically. No middleman, no bank. For example, you send money and a program sends you a ticket right away. Everything happens on its own. So what can you do with Ethereum? First, DeFi. This means decentralized finance. With DeFi, people can borrow, save, or trade without a bank. Second, NFTs. These are unique digital items, art, music, or collectibles that live on Ethereum. Third, apps. On Ethereum, you can build small programs called DApps. They can be games, marketplaces, or even voting systems. The idea is Ethereum can host an entire digital economy. How is Ethereum different from Bitcoin? Bitcoin is like digital gold. It is very good at one thing, storing and sending value. Ethereum is more like a smartphone. It can run many different apps. Some apps are about money, others about art, or even gaming. So Bitcoin is like a calculator, reliable but limited. Ethereum is like a smartphone, flexible with many possibilities. Ethereum also has risks. The price of ETH goes up and down very quickly. In the past, Ethereum used a lot of energy, but in 2022, it switched to something called proof of stake. Now it is much more efficient, but Ethereum also has strong competition. Other blockchains like Solana or Cardano try to do similar things. The race is still open. To sum it all up, it is not only a coin, it is a platform, a network where you can run programs without banks or companies in control. Finance, art, and even games can live on Ethereum. That is why many people call it the foundation of a new internet. This was just an explanation of how Ethereum works. It is not financial advice. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. See you.